Hello guys, another quick video. We are with this Range Rover L494 Sport. This has come to us, as you can see that flashing light in the right hand corner where the cruise isn't working. Now we scanned this before and it had a fault, which was coming up with the front radar, misaligned. We tried to do the alignment, but it failed. So it's been checked now, and it's had a slight little bump where the radar has come misaligned. So that's been rectified. It's been put back into place. Basically it came out of its bracket, but it's been put back in, and now we're getting obviously this fault here, and all we're going to do is we are going to align it basically. So on the diag, the fault that we're looking for, you can see is that one, C1A67-54 forward-looking sensor. So that is going to be the fault that we're going to be rectifying now. So we're in the speed control alignment. I'm using the Autel because I'm being a bit lazy today. So it's just saying make sure all relevant faults have been rectified. So we're just going to follow this through, turn it off, turn it to ignition 2. So we'll read all the faults. So we're just on ignition here, low battery. I love a good low battery fault. We can still see the icon on the top right is flashing. So we're just going to go, it's just going to clear all the fault codes that you can see, rescan it, and we'll go from there. Lovely. So we're just going to follow the instructions that it tells us on here, yeah, it should be golden. So it's just initializing now, so we'll wait till that is done. Okay, turn to ignition 2. Okay, still got it flashing. Control module procedure completed successfully. So go to 0. Okay, position 2. Okay. Off. Okay. 2. Okay. He's going to check everything now, so we should be all good. Okay. So do a full clear of the whole system, and we'll check the cruise and make sure it's all working. Again, ignition off. Initializing, and hopefully this should all work in theory. Position 2. Okay. Lost reading bloody fault codes. Completed successfully. Ignition to off. Ignition to 2. Follow icon. See that? Yeah. Yellow icon is flashing. So we need to take it on a a bit of a drive, and we'll be able to do that now. So we'll do that, come back, and hopefully that will be gone, and cruise will be working.